So this is for the continuation of the notes for the B.Ed first year, semester 2, pedagogy of school subject. Now this is a pedagogy of school subject mathematics, module 1, fundamental of mathematics education, basic academic discipline, unit 1. So this is a continuation of the previous one. So today the topic will be on classification of academic discipline. Okay, this is a B part. Okay, that is a C also. Okay, the A part I have already given it to you all. So these are the only notes I will be providing towards you all. Okay, so this is the topic today. Okay, so you can take down classification of the academic discipline. Okay, Batcher, Biglan, typology, pure hard, pure soft, applied hard, applied soft types, with emphasis on nature of knowledge in each type. So there is no definite system with respect to classification of disciplines. Some experts classify disciplines based on the focus of their content as arts and humanities, social science, natural science. Okay, so let me continue the notes on the next page. Mathematics and business studies in the early 1970s, Anthony Biglan carried out a study to investigate the faculty judgment about similarities and differences between several academic fields. These perceptions were classified as pure versus applied, hard versus soft, or paradigmatic versus non-paradigmatic disciplines. The third one is concerned with life system versus those not concerned with life system. So we have a pure disciplines. So the first point is pure disciplines refer to those disciplines that tend towards fundamental research. The second point which we have is there is a systematic observation of phenomena solely for the purpose of discovering unknown facts which may develop into theories. Third point is the product of these disciplines is some kind of new knowledge. Simply put, a pure discipline is a discipline that involves study purely for the sake of knowledge and not for its application. Next point is some examples are pure mathematics, pure physics, pure chemistry, pure history to elaborate, pure mathematics, solve problems, find facts and answers questions that doesn't depend on the world around us, but on the rules of mathematics itself. Next, let us read the notes on applied disciplines. Applied disciplines relate existing knowledge to real world situation. These disciplines make significant contribution to the world by articulating the theoretical foundations in their field of study. You can just take down these notes. For example, human resource development is an applied discipline that draws heavily from pure disciplines like psychology and sociology. Engineering is an applied science dependent on the pure science of mathematics and physics. Next we have is hard disciplines. Hard disciplines means what? Disciplines that tend to use quantitative data, tend to be predictive and use experimental methods and classified as a hard disciplines. Example, physics, chemistry, engineering, computing are all example of hard disciplines as they deal with quantitative data. Next, what we have is they use experimental methods to build a repository of knowledge. Okay, next we can take down next point. Braxton 1995 represent the hard discipline has been characterized by greater concern for career development and cognitive goals such as learning of facts and concepts. Next, thinking and scholarly activities such as the reading of research articles. Next, Disciplines are also classified as those dealing with life system or living beings as against those that deal with inanimate objects. Example of the former are biological, psychological, and those of the later type of physics, mathematics, geology. A study of Smart and Antigunton 1995 reports the opinion of the on the goals of undergraduate education from over 4,000 university faculty members who regularly taught undergraduate students. The conclusions were that soft and applied disciplines place greater emphasis on knowledge acquisition, and hard discipline have more concern for knowledge application. Knowledge integration and application were both perceived to be more important in the applied discipline than in the pure. Bigland's work concentrated on the cognitive dimension of discipline. Becher in 1989 called attention to the social dimension of the academic discipline. From this emerged the Bigland-Becher typology of the academic discipline. According to this typology, four main types of groups are possible. Now, what are the main four types of groups over here? The first one is hard and pure discipline, second one is hard and applied discipline, third one is soft and pure discipline, fourth one is soft and applied discipline. Okay, next moving towards the next, that is, here there are four types. You can see the diagram right over here. This is a hard, pure, applied and soft. In this hard, pure discipline, what comes? It emphasizes discovery and explanation like mathematics, biology, chemistry, physics. In hard, applied discipline empathizes products and technology like medicine, engineering, design. Okay, here pure discipline. In this, it emphasizes the understanding and interpretation like history, literature, art, theory, sociology. Okay, in this applied, it is about the applied discipline like education. Okay, so I can just take down this diagram as well. Next, coming under the hard pure disciplines. Hard pure disciplines involve general areas of the human understanding and are clustered around limited number of problems. The nature of knowledge in this discipline is cumulative and concerned with universal phenomena. The result of such knowledge is discovery of something new or expansion of already existing knowledge, just like a crystal grows has more and more molecular add onto it. So it is the case of this group of discipline. As new knowledge keeps adding, the older form of knowledge is enhanced. For example, consider knowledge about an atom has research on the atom progressed, our knowledge about atom made incremental progress. The relationship between the knowledge seeker and knowledge is unbiased and very objective. There are very definite criteria to verify knowledge in such discipline. There is a high degree of concern over significant questions. For example, it is if two scientists are studying the effect of temperature of the state of matter, their result will be similar to matter which part of the world they perform their experiments in. Now, academic communities in hard pure discipline are well organized. Their work is quite competitive and publication rates are high. Next we have is the hard applied disciplines. Hard applied disciplines are involved in purposive work. The emphasis is an application of theories resulting in creating techniques and products. These disciplines are practical in nature and are concerned with solving problems, addressing challenges, and mastering the environment around us. Okay, the focus is on application, and hence Hertist approaches find more important in such discipline. They use both quantitative and qualitative approaches. The criteria of judging the product of such discipline are functional. Such discipline result in a new techniques and products being created. Moving towards the next page. So let us see this. Okay, engineering, for example, it is hard applied discipline which draws from mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Clinical medicine is a hard applied discipline dependent upon biology and chemistry. The ethos in such discipline is entrepreneurial and dominated by professional values. Patients are submitted for publication. Next, what we have is soft pure discipline. Soft pure discipline stress on understanding and interpretation of phenomena. Knowledge in this discipline is reiterative, which means there may be repetition of knowledge when examined in different situations. These disciplines are concerned with particular happening rather than general occurrence. Unlike hard science, here data is qualitative. The researchers and knowledge share a personal relationship. There can be different views regarding what verification of data's subjectivity can be high when interpretation are made. There is no definiteness as to what significant questions are to be answered. Okay, anthropology and history. Anthropology and history are some example of disciplines in this type. The academic communities of such disciplines tend to be less structured compared to those from hard pure discipline. Publication rate is also lower. So I can take down these points. Next is, it is interesting to note that while a discipline like psychology is a soft pure discipline, sociometric subfield sociology is a hard pure. Then we have a soft applied disciplines. In this, what we have is soft applied discipline emphasizes process and protocol. These are functional and utilitarian in nature. They are concerned with the enhancement of professional practice. Often their status is uncertain. They also appear to be dominated in intellectual fashions. They are mixed qualitative and quantitative data of their growth. Case study from an important tool in such discipline. Law and education are example of soft applied discipline. Education depends upon other soft disciplines like psychology, sociology, and philosophy. Publication rates in these disciplines are low. Then we have the understanding of Biglan-Becher typology gives an overview of how different disciplines are similar and how they differ. One also sees how particular group of discipline has somewhat similar characteristics with respect to research carried out or publication made. So today I will be giving you all the notes till here. This is enough. In the next class I will be doing the continuation of the next topic, that will be place of mathematics in present school curriculum. That will be the next topic. Okay, that notes I will continue it tomorrow. I will be giving you all. Till now I can only write till here notes. Okay. So I hope you have understood, and thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, queries, you can comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.